Hello everyone, today we're going to use the Content Strategist AI agent from AtomicAGI to identify content gaps that we should target specifically for LLMs. So here we go. We're just going to click this button here, identify content gaps. It's going to pop up this prompt, identify content gaps and opportunities based on keyword research and competitor analysis. That's fine, but I'm going to put in right here, specifically for LLMs. Then I'm just going to hit enter. It's only going to take a couple seconds. It's going to look at Google data, Bing data, and LLM data, where we are missing out and where we are currently ranking to find those content gaps, to give me the keywords and the topics and potentially even the article titles that I need to be creating in order to rank higher in LLMs. So here we go. It's looking on the right, getting ranking keywords from Google Search Console, getting ranking pages from Google Search Console, and getting all opportunities. If we see on the right, it's already doing research on all my content, but let's see what it's given us. Okay, it's looking at Reddit, it's looking at competitors. As we let it go, we can see it's doing more. Okay, it's matching our project knowledge that we inserted ourselves. Okay, we're looking at other competitors as well as ourselves. If we go to the left here, we can see it running web searches for all kinds of different keywords that it thinks we should be ranking in. So here we go. We can see, hey, already I can see it wants us to talk more about agentic AI. Okay, let's see. Has a comprehensive picture now. Okay, I'm interested. Okay, here we go. We have the full LLM focused content gap and opportunity analysis. So it'll even create charts for us, which is incredible and great to share with your team. So we can see here our content gap. So it's going to probably have more detail besides just the chart. But if we scroll down, here we go. Why it matters. We understand why it matters. Here we go. So, stablecoin payroll for AI teams in fintech companies. Why is it a gap? It's telling us why. Low coverage, high LLM demand. Great to know. Here we go. Agentic AI. Why? So it's not just telling you what you should be going after, but the why is extremely important. So here we go. The gap. It's a rising LLM cited topic. We have competitors here, have publishing other things. There's zero content on our site on this. Meanwhile, the competitor piece is being cited in AI searches. So it's not only looking at us, but where our competitors are ranking and being cited. That's exactly what we want. And then here we go. It even gives us the content to create. So it's specifically telling us to write these pieces of content for this content gap. We can see that above here, content to create. We can see that here, content to create, here. Then we look at priority 2. So we can see refresh gaps, existing content with low LLMs, okay? Competitor content clusters. We can go through there. Hey, here's the hub, and then here's the supporting articles. Here's another cluster. Here's the content to create. And we can keep going, right? So another cluster, more content to create. Geographic and vertical content. Structural LLM optimization for existing pages. Here it says, hey, following high-value pages have good search positions, but are structurally not LLM friendly. So we want to make those even friendlier to LLMs. And we can even go here on the roadmap. Hey, start with these in month 1, month 2, go after this, month 3, and ongoing and ongoing. That's incredible. That would take hours and potentially even days for an SEO consultant, even someone extremely experienced, just by using different tools. We used one simple prompt. It took us 3 minutes, and we have a complete roadmap, and we're not even thinking. We're taking the exact data and we're taking the exact content titles to know exactly what to go after. We can keep going into more detail if we wanted. So we see here, would you like to start creating any of these? We can write those with AtomicAGI. As we see here, I can draft any of those articles immediately, beginning with the highest priority gap. I won't do that for today's video. That can easily be done, or you can take that to another tool you trust. But this is the content strategy AI agent from AtomicAGI.